Starts while the rhythm is still concluding in D7, okay, with that quick Mixolydian run, and then it goes into C7. So we're in C7 with that. B5 to B7, a half bend, back to B7, back to B5, and then back to B7. So that's the first part. And then we'll repeat B5, B7, half bend, and then B5. So that all happens over the C7. And then rhythm goes back to A minor with that note right here. So that's the second part of lick 5. It's a legato lick. I pull off from E8 to E5, up to B8, back to E5, then two pull-offs from E8 to E5, back to B8, pull off from E8 to E5, back to E8 and vibrato. Okay?